This how to 1 minute will show you how to add watermark automatically in WordPress images. Follow this easy step-by-step guide to set up auto watermark. Log into your WordPress dashboard and come to this plugin section and click on add new plugin. In the search plugins box, type easy watermark, and this is the exact plugin we are going to use. So install this plugin and activate it. Once the plugin activated, hover over on settings and click on easy watermark. And now click on add new watermark and add the watermark title. And now select the watermark type. You can select text and image. So first of all, let's add a text watermark. And here you will get a preview box. To see your watermark preview, first of all, here you have to upload a preview image. So click on it. And I'm selecting an image for preview. And now in this watermark text box, write your watermark. And here, as you can see, watermark has add date, but it's pretty small to see. So I'm going to make the watermark bigger from here. And now here we can see the watermark. Now you can change your watermark text from this drop down. You can change the watermark text color. You can change text size, text alignment. You can also change opacity. And here you can change your watermark alignment. Currently this watermark is in center. I'm selecting here top right corner. And here we can see the watermark position has been changed. Now scroll down. Here you will get applying rules. Image size, you can add the watermark in medium size images, intermediate size, large, full size. You can also add the watermark in thumbnail by checking this thumbnail box. Now scroll down. Here you will get auto watermark section. You must have to check this box. Automatically apply this watermark during image upload. And image type, select JPG, PNG or GIF. And now allow for all users. You can check this box and scroll up and click on save. So my text watermark has been successfully generated. Now let's see how it works. I'm going to my media section and clicking on add new media file, and here we can see auto watermark option is enabled. I'm clicking on select files and I'm selecting a random photo from my computer. Once the photo uploaded, I'm gonna clicking on it, and as you can see, the watermark has been added to this photo automatically. Now let's set up a image watermark. So here's my tools and easy watermark section, and clicking on add new watermark and typing the watermark title, image watermark. Now select image and click on save. And upload a image preview, and here select or upload your watermark by clicking here, and I'm going to uploading my watermark photo. And here we can see the watermark image is working perfectly, and you can scroll down to change the alignment. And to change the image watermark size, scroll down. Here you will get this scaling section. Scaling mode, select cover, contain, fit to width or fit to height. So I'm gonna selecting here fit to height, and scaling I'm selecting 50. And let's see the preview. Here we can see the preview. Let's make it a little bit smaller, selecting here 20 pixel. Let's see the preview. As you can see, it's smaller now. So this is how we can set up automatically watermark in WordPress images. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to admin it. See you in the next video.